Has broken out in the sector 18 of Shankaracharya Marg of the Mahakumbh Mela Kshetra. Fire tenders are there at the spot, and what we are given to understand that this is the latest fire that has been broken out in the Mahakumbh region. Multiple fire tenders are at the spot while fire rescue efforts are underway, and all efforts are on to douse the fire. Arzu Seth, my colleague, is there to give more details. Arzu, fire has broken out in Mahakumbh. Share more details.
Well, yes, the information is coming in that the fire has broke out in sector 18 of the Mahakumbh Mela area in Prayagraj, and also a fire that has been broke out in sector 18 was on the Shankaracharya Marg of the Mahakumbh Mela area, and multiple fire tenders have reached to the spot to douse the flame, and the situation is said to be under control now, but more information are still awaited about what was the source, what was the reason behind the fire, the massive fire that broke out. The smoke was coming out of the entire area, the Shankaracharya Marg, where the fire was broke out. In fact, the official statement have not till now received, but yes, the fire that was broke out in the Shankaracharya Marg was massive. There were several fire tenders that were reached on the time to tackle with the fire, but now also there are fire tenders that are trying to douse the flame. And what we are getting to know that the fire broke out at the ISKCON Pandal in the Mahakumbh sector at Thara Prayagraj, sector 18 Prayagraj, and also there has been the fire brigade team and the several fire engines rushed to the spot and brought the fire under control. And according to reports, also the fire broke out at the ISKCON Pandal, and no one has been injured till now in the incident. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained, yet to be known after the investigation, after the checking, because the police official, the Uttar Pradesh police, is also present there. So, the swift response of the fire brigade team prevented any major damage or the loss of life. Well, the Mahakumbh administration and authorities are investigating the cause of the fire and taking necessary measures to prevent such incident in the future. But yes, right now the fire tenders are on the spot to douse the flame, that have broke out in the ISKCON Pandal at the Shankaracharya Marg. Also, there is no information as of now of anyone getting injured in this incident. But yes, the cause of the fire is still ascertained, and after the investigation, after the the UP police is present there, we'll get to know soon what was the reason behind the fire that broke out. Because continuously there has been a several announcement that is being made in the Mahakumbh Mela area, what to do and what not to be do, and also what to prevent, how to prevent yourself from getting such under such incidents. So yes, but now there has been a fire that has broke out, and the fire brigade team is trying to douse the flame. And also what we are getting to know currently, the fire has been brought under control. Yes, Simran.
Well, fire has been brought under control is what we are learning in the latest at this point of time. My colleague Arzu is giving us details. Fire broke out in the Mahakumbh sector 18 at the Kshetra area, where the police and the fire rescue efforts team and tenders present at the ground. Now let's listen in.
कैसे लगी, क्या लगी? हम लोग बहुत ही अथक परिश्रम से आग पर काबू पा लिए हैं, और आपके माध्यम से जनता जो यहाँ जनता जनार्दन, उनका भी सहयोग काफी रहा। कोई किसी प्रकार अब काबू पा लिया गया है, अब स्थिति नॉर्मल हो गई है। सभी सामान, जितने भी सामान थे, सब बाहर कर लिए गए हैं। यही पंडाल वगैरह जो है थोड़ा जो बने थे वही जला हुआ, बाकी कोई किसी प्रकार की। हमारे सभी गंगा सेवा दूत बहुत ही अथक परिश्रम से आग पर काबू पाए हैं। अवनीश मिश्रा, प्रयागराज, महाकुंभ।
हरिहरानंद और सुखदेवानंद जी का जो यहाँ पे शिविर है, उसमें आग लगने की सूचना हुई। यह ओल्ड जीटी रोड पर स्थित है। सूचना मिलने के बाद तत्काल 1 दर्जन से अधिक फायर की गाड़ियां यहाँ मौके पर पहुंच गई। स्थानीय पुलिस भी मौके पे पहुंचे, हम लोग भी पहुंच गए, मजिस्ट्रेट साहबान भी यहाँ पे पहुंच गए। तत्काल हमारी जो फायर की टीम है उनने इसमें काम करना शुरू किया, और कुछ ही मिनट में आग पे काबू पा लिया गया है। इसमें जन हानि कोई नहीं है। संपत्ति हानि हुई है उसका आकलन अभी कराया जाएगा। आग किन कारणों से लगी है इसके बारे में हमारी जो फायर की स्पेशलाइज्ड टीम है वो इसका विश्लेषण करेगी, उसके उपरांत आप सभी को अवगत करा दिया जाएगा।